Hey, Leo Deepenrose here. I wanted to practice development with Python and Django. I'm working on one of the greatest Hello World projects of all time. Yep, that's right, the Great To-Do List project. Okay, so while it may not be the greatest project, it is a really good way to practice working with a new framework, and in my case, that's Django. I noticed while adding new items to my database that the order of the items rendered was in reverse. So, using my superpower reading the docs, I found that Queryset had a few useful attributes: order by and reverse. Seemed like a great solution to me. Order by lets you override the default ordering option, so I decided to order by ID. And reverse, that lets you, reverse. I was able to reverse the order of the Queryset's element, and if you can remember just a second ago, I sorted by ID. I assigned tasks as a variable for my query set. With the power of reverse and order by, when I refreshed, we can see that the order is now reversed. Adding any additional tasks now will render the item at the top of the list. Only thing left now to do is figure out some tasks to complete.